say hi? Say hi to everybody. Yes. Such a good boy. Hey everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and Hondo is here with me. Hondo, look up here. Look up here. Oh my goodness. There he is. Yes, and for those of you that want to hug him and everything, you're more than welcome to. He's such a sweet love bug. But anyway, I think he took my remote somewhere. There it is. Thanks so much for joining today. It's always fun to see Hondo and the kitty cat. Everybody just loves them so much. But today, we're going to take a look at some pet tape. Pet washi tape. I think it's all pet tape. But anyway, we're going to take a look at it. It's some that I got off of Temu. And I wanted to see if I could get a really good deal. So let's see what you think. It's all wintry and it looks beautiful. So we're going to take a look at it and maybe put on a couple tags and everything. So Christmas in July this month. Yes, Christmas in July, big subscriber giveaway. Link below. Don't miss it. And let's get into this. All right. So pet tape, washi tape. Washi tape is one that is made of paper, repositionable, and tearable. You can put it on anything and you can pull it off and reposition it. So washi tape, that's what this one is right here. This is pet tape and it's from Cratey and it is called Winter Whispers. So I want to show it to you. I'm going to pull it out of the little box that it comes in, and you get 6 rolls. So we're just gonna pull the rolls out so you can see what's on them, and maybe we'll just make a little quick tag or two at the end. So let's see, where is the, let me find the end of it. So this is the first roll, and it is really pretty. Skis, ice skates, real wintry, lovely ladies on here to use. Oh, look how pretty. And then it goes into a different color scheme. Look, so we have the peach color, we have the blues. Look how pretty. And then it repeats. Such a pretty roll there. So as I mentioned, washi tape is made of paper. Pet tape is a plastic base. So these are really pretty. These scenes in the winter. Look how pretty. It makes you want to be there if it's not too cold, right? Oh, look at that tree. How pretty. This is the third roll. It's a little bit smaller. Look at the pup. Aww, look how cute these are. Look at that. Love it. Love it. Are you liking these? Look at the kitty. And there's a puppy. All right, here is the fourth roll. Look how pretty. Oh, I love it. These are really pretty. So you cut out what you want, and then you peel the backing off and apply it to whatever your project is. Isn't that pretty? Okay, roll 5. Oh, that's pretty. Look at those. Really pretty. And so these are, to me, similar to stickers, but not in your regular packaging. So you can cut out what you want specifically to go on your project. All right, this is roll number 6 with the you know, florals and beautiful. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at that. Love it. Gorgeous. All right, so let's make a little tag or two. right, so a couple of fun tags with this set of pet tape. 6 rolls, really, really cute, fun winter set. Just a quick couple of tags to make with it, and really fun. Quick trivia question for you. In the song Santa Baby, the singer asks for a deed to what? Answers in the next slide. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.